Okay, here's my ingredients right here. I sprayed this in this little pan, and I'm using this kind of pan because I don't want to clean up a sticky mess. So we're gonna put some chocolate chips on the bottom. Right, we're gonna layer. This is about 8 graham crackers, just broken up. Right.
Who are you talking to?
The camera's right in front of my face. Marshmallows. We're just gonna throw them. We're gonna just pile, right?
I mean, is that for real?
This is for real. It's called a moresBake.
Some more what?
Some more chocolate, marshmallows, and graham crackers. Okay.
Why did you get Hershey's?
Because we went to Aldi and they didn't have Hershey's. Everything I got was at Aldi. We have a new Aldi out here, so I didn't get Hershey's because they didn't have Hershey's. So I wasn't going to go to another store.
You guys know
we're going to add more chocolate.
We filmed both these episodes in one day, and that wine is gone from the previous episode.
No, it isn't. Still there. Half a cup taken out, dork.
She's filling it with water.
Yeah. And then you know what we're going to do? We're just going to stick this in the oven. And when we come back, we're going to see how this turns out.
What'd you preheat the oven to?
350. The oven's on 350. I'm assuming I will put it in for about 30 minutes, but I'm going to keep checking. And when I come back, I'll tell you how long I did this for. Doesn't that look kind of funky?
Yeah.
That look good. Okay. We're going in.